Stop configuring DNS and other complicated records. There's a tool that helps you set up all of that nonsense with one simple click. It costs $13 to renew instead of $24, and most beginning affiliate marketers have never even heard of it. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, one of the first things you need is a domain name, your own little piece of internet real estate. That sounds basic, but here's the thing. Most people overthink this step and get stuck for days, or they rush through it, pick something terrible, and end up paying way more than they should. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to pick the right domain name for your affiliate marketing business. Then I'm going to show you where to buy it, a place that's cheaper, easier, and honestly, just better. I'll also show you a feature that eliminates one of the most annoying technical headaches in this entire business. But first, let me help you pick a domain name that actually works. Your domain is your brand. It's what people type in. It's what they remember or don't remember. So here are 4 rules to follow. Rule number 1, keep it short, 2 to 3 words max. The longer it is, the harder it is for people to type, share, or remember. Nobody's going to type in John's amazing online business opportunity 2026.com. Keep it tight. Rule number 2, make it benefit driven. Your domain should hint at what someone gets by visiting. Think about what your audience wants: freedom, income, a better life. Let the name point in that direction. Something like onlinegoldrush.com tells you immediately there's opportunity here. Rule number 3, make it easy to spell. If you have to spell it out for someone over the phone, it's too complicated. No weird hyphens or numbers replacing letters. No creative misspellings. Keep it simple. If someone hears your domain name once, can they remember it tomorrow? That's the test. Short, benefit-driven, easy to spell, and easy to remember. Follow those 4 rules and you're ahead of 90% of beginners. Now here's where most people go wrong. They head straight to GoDaddy because that's the name everyone knows. GoDaddy works, I used them for years, and I'm not going to trash them. But here's the reality. The first year price for GoDaddy looks attractive. Where they get you is on the annual renewals. That's where you're paying around $24 a year just to keep your domain. Every single year. That adds up fast when you're just starting out. Every dollar counts. And you're trying to keep overhead low while you're figuring things out. So let me tell you about Domain Scout. Year 1, it runs about $1 less than GoDaddy. Not earth-shattering on its own, but here's where it gets interesting. The annual renewal on Domain Scout is only about $13. Compare that to $24 at GoDaddy. GoDaddy's double just to keep the domain you already own. Stack that difference year after year while you're building on a budget, and it's not nothing. The money you save with Domain Scout will stay in your pocket instead of going to a big company. But the price isn't even the best part. If you struggle to come up with a good domain, and most beginners do, Domain Scout gives you auto-recommended domains that are good. So instead of sitting there for 3 hours trying to brainstorm the perfect domain, you get good domains handed to you. Pick one that follows those 4 rules I just gave to you and you're done. Moving forward instead of spinning in circles. Now let me tell you about the feature that saves you the biggest headache of all. Pay close attention here because this one has derailed more beginners than I can even count. If you're going to do affiliate marketing the right way, you need to build an email list. That means you'll need a business email connected to your domain. And when you set up a business email, you have to configure something called SPF records and DKIM records. These are technical authentication settings that tell email providers that your emails are legitimate and not spam. And if you've never heard those terms before, good. That means you haven't had to suffer through them yet. Because for most beginners, this is where the wheels completely fall off. You're Googling tutorials at midnight, copying long strings of text into settings panels you've never seen before. Praying you pasted it into the right field. One wrong character, and your emails go straight to spam. Your list is useless and you have no idea why. I've watched so many people quit at this exact step. Not because the business was wrong for them, but because this one unnecessary technical wall stopped them cold. Domain Scout has a 1-click button that does it all for you. 1 click. All those nonsense records applied automatically. No Googling, no copying and pasting, no guessing. You click a button and it's done. For someone who isn't technical, this is a lifesaver. Sounds good. What's the catch? Well, there is just one catch. Domain Scout isn't floating out there on the internet for anyone to stumble across. It's an exclusive tool inside the Home Business Academy, or HBA for short. HBA was built specifically for people just getting started with building a home business on the internet. The platform includes training, live coaching 5 days a week, and tools like Domain Scout that were designed from the ground up to remove the exact obstacles that stop beginners before they ever pick up momentum. You can get started for as little as $10. So even if Domain Scout is what initially caught your attention, the training, other tools, and live coaching are what help you build something that actually lasts. So if that sounds cool, head on over to onlinegoldrush.com to learn more. While you're there, you can also learn how people are earning up to $128 residual for every customer referral and see a done-for-you sales system that handles the selling for you. Again, that's onlinegoldrush.com. I also put the link down below. I'll see you there and walk you through the next steps. Thanks for watching. Whatever you do, always go for your dreams.